The universe is vast and awe-inspiring. Each speck of light in the night sky represents a sun, around which countless planets might orbit. And on one of those planets, in a small corner of the universe, we find ourselves, Earth. But even in the midst of all this bustle and noise, we can look up at the sky and wonder. We can imagine what it might be like on those other worlds, and we can dream of what we might find if we ever ventured out there. Humanity has always been fascinated by space, and for good reason. It is the final frontier, the great unknown, and as we push farther and farther out, we discover more about the universe and our place within it. From the earliest satellites that orbited our planet, to the rovers that explore the surface of Mars, we have used technology to extend our reach and learn about the universe beyond our world. And for those brave few who have traveled beyond our atmosphere, the view of Earth from space has been a life-changing experience. They have seen our planet as a fragile, interconnected ecosystem, and have gained a new appreciation for the preciousness of life. But even if we can't all be astronauts, we can still explore the universe in our own way. We can look through telescopes at the stars, we can study the planets in our own solar system, and we can marvel at the mysteries of the universe that are still waiting to be uncovered. So, as we gaze up at the stars, let us remember that we are all part of this vast and beautiful universe. And let us continue to explore, to learn, and to dream.